Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Henches with Beyond the Chart, and this is your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices. We're going to take a look at Amazon.com today. We haven't looked at this in a long time. Today is Wednesday, July 8th. It's about 10 to 12 in the morning, and the stock market is currently suspended. Trading on the New York Stock Exchange is suspended, and apparently some kind of technical problem. The NYSE is saying it's not a cyber breach, so it's been down for well over an hour now, about an hour and 15 minutes or so. All right, let's take a look at Amazon, and then we'll see how Amazon's trading today. Here's my perspective on Amazon. Is I think that we are in the fifth primary wave up, and actually I think this is in a third cycle wave. Okay, so if we look at, let's just take a look at all the trading here. Now I've got this, I could turn this into, I've got this on arithmetic. Let me turn to semi-log. I've got it in arithmetic because sometimes waves just look better and the trend lines look better on a short-term basis when you do that. When you see here, and you can see that this is all the trading I've got on Amazon. Now maybe there's something a little bit earlier, I'm not sure. But going from this low point down here in 2001, it looks like we have a cycle wave 1, a cycle wave 2, and we're working a cycle wave 3 up. And within that cycle wave 3, I think that we had 1, 2, here's the 1, 2, and we just completed a very big, large third wave. Usually the third wave is the strongest and most powerful of the motive waves, impulse waves. And then we've had this corrective wave 4 that we've been undergoing since the high back here, the first of the year of 2014, actually. And then let's go ahead and zoom in on that. And let me take it back to arithmetic because I think things are going to show a little bit better there. And so let's look at that. And so here's back in January 2014, we had this huge corrective action. The trend line containing that corrective action was broken right here in this wave 3, and the reason I believe that this fourth wave concluded right here is because it looks like we had a nice 5-wave sequence up, okay, for a wave 1, and then we had a nice 3-wave corrective action that did not go below the start of wave 1, intermediate wave 1. So therefore that was a valid pullback, and a lot of times wave 2 will come very deep and retrace almost all of wave 1. So that's valid. And then we get this strong wave 3 with huge gap in it right here. And then we get another big gap in what looks like a wave 5 up to me. And then if you draw the trend line across the lows here, the pullback, you get that it's broken it in here. Let me zoom in. And it actually started to happen here June 8th. Pulled back, came back down again, pulled back, and now it's kind of pulled out sideways. So my interpretation of what's going on is that this is correcting, and I would expect it to start to roll over and pull back down. And we'll see. I mean, corrective waves can do any one of like 13 different formations, so it can get to be very complex and very messy. And we'll just have to continue to watch. So that's my take on Amazon right now. Think we're breaking down. Think we're definitely moving sideways. Looking for it to roll over and come back down. So let's just take a quick look at what it's doing today. And today, that's what it's doing. It's down 6.2, 1.4% at 4030.52, and that's at 11:53 a.m. Central Time. So about halfway through the day. All right, so that's it for today, and hope you enjoyed that. And again, remember, Beyond the Chart, your source for exceptional video analysis of stocks, ETFs, and indices. We'll be back tonight with a market update. Talk to you soon.